All right, this is a chart of Egyptian symbols for their numbers. They used little short line segments going vertically like sticks. They used things in real life, so one stick going up for 1, and then 2 for 2, 3 for 3, 4 for 4, so forth, all the way to 9. So they had 9 sticks for 9. And then they used a heel bone for 10, and it looks like an upside down U. So kind of an upside down U was their 10. They used a coiled rope for their 100, so it kind of, again, looks like a coiled rope. So kind of like the @ symbol or like a curly Q where you start in the middle and spiral out a little bit for their 100. Their 1,000 was a lotus flower, so it kind of looks like a Pac-Man, like a circle with a piece of, well, maybe like a pizza with a slice taken out, or a piece of pie with a slice taken out, so it kind of looks like a Pac-Man head. And then it has a stick, and at the bottom it has a triangle with kind of 2 leaves coming out. So that's worth 1,000. So a locust flower, which looks like a pie with a piece taken out on a stick going vertically with a triangle at the base where it holds the plant up with kind of 2 little line segment leaves, is 1,000. A pointy finger is 10,000. So again, it kind of looks like your pointier finger bent a little bit with a fingernail and some little lines where I guess your joint is, but it just a pointy finger is 10,000. A frog is 100,000. So I'm not good at drawing frogs either. So kind of looking like a side view of a frog where you can see maybe the hip bone and a little leg and the front leg and maybe the bulging eyes and kind of a side view of a frog. And then the million is a worshiping man. So it's a man kind of on his legs, like bowing down kind of, but his arms are raised. And so a worshiping man is a million for the Egyptians.